Hi guys, Tom Morrison here, and I want to talk to you about the mobility for your back squat. So it's a question I'm asked all the time, that it doesn't feel comfortable, or you can't keep your elbows in the right position, all this here different stuff. And it really depends on what you want and where you're at now. So it's very hard to give a blanket description for it, but I'll give you a few exercises and a few examples that will hopefully help you out. But always remember to try each one and assess afterwards. If you're not noticing any improvement, then it is not the exercise for you. So here is some examples to look at. So the first one would be your high bar back squat, and you really want that nice in close position for that. So your upper back is really tight. Always treat the squat as a full body exercise. It's not just about the legs. Upper body does the work too. Bracing is all really important. So look at this one first. Another variation would be the low bar back squat, which you would see would be quite wide. Now your hands are not just resting there, you would actively be pulling your elbows into yourself. So you're still looking to create that same tension in the back so that you're going to be stronger throughout the lift as well. So less mobility required for that one, but again, if you are not a competitive powerlifter or not something you want to venture into, I would always say to more try to gear towards the high bar squat and actually getting the mobility for that one and going for a full range of motion. Powerlifting back squat you'll be able to lift more weight with, but from a mobility standpoint it's not really one of the better ones for you to want to do. It's not to say it's bad, it's just you'd rather have a full range of motion squat if you're just general training.
So Alan has quite kindly said he will help demonstrate. So at the minute, he has to have an open hand whenever he's going for squats, and it's ridiculously uncomfortable, would you say? Can you close your hands at all?
Nope.
No, not even a wee bit? No, too tight in the shoulders?
Yep.
Yeah. Okay, in the rack.
So first exercise to work with would be zenith rotations. And what you're looking for is to have the shoulder back and down here, and you really want to go from the upper back. So I've had Alan sit back a little bit so that he can't move at the hips. One thing you really want to avoid when you're doing this movement would be to use your hips to do it. So you're sending the hip out like that. You're not looking for that. It should be the upper back. You're looking to rotate, open the ribs up, and do that movement. So 10 times on this side, and then 10 times on the other side. And then the other one to do would be above the head. So keep going on it. Here, so you'd be above the head, and you would go this way, and then again rotate up as high as you can. If you do the exercise correctly, you're not going to get as far as you want to, basically. So if it's very challenging, you're probably doing it right. You should almost feel like your breath is changing as well.
Okay, and let's test again. See, can you get a full grip?
Oh!
Does it feel any better?
It does, yes.
Yeah.
Squats lower.
Try and keep up nice and tall. So ideally we want the fists rolled around a wee bit more if we can. Does that still feel okay?
Yeah.
Awesome. So the next one, we're blocking off at the wrists. Doesn't matter about the elbows being bent. Keep the shoulders down, and you're trying to push the chest through that way. More thoracic extension. Again, if you're not getting very far, you're probably doing it right. So again, try and get a full grip right from the setup.
From the setup?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Belly. Squeeze nice and tight. Pull everything down. Belly tighter in the middle. Lock those abs down. Squat. A little better. Roll the knuckles this way a bit more. There you go. Ready, pull down. Good. Hoppa. Hoppa. Feel better?
Yeah.